Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how to check RAM and storage in our Redmi phone. Friends, you want to check your RAM and storage and get internal storage, available storage. Friends, how can you check in your Redmi phone? Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. Friends, we will on our phone setting. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Redmi phone. So let's click on first of all about phone setting. Then I scroll it. As you can see this all setting is tab here. Friends, again scroll. Friends, you can see guys RAM setting guys, you can check from here 3 GB, and friends you can see internal storage 32 GB total, and friends you can see available internal storage guys, you can check from here in your Redmi phone guys. So like that guys, you can check your RAM and storage in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet the next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye guys.